Hi, today we're gonna get a skin, because some people don't know how. So, okay, what I did when on Miners Need Cool Shoes and a skin editor, I'll put the link, or I'll put the website in the link, the description. Okay, well, you can make a skin on Skin Editor. You just edit the skin that they gave you already, and then or you can just go and browse and get a skin, but I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm just gonna get a skin. Oh, and I'm doing this video with my friend David here. Okay, so just get any skin like this one. Oh, sometimes it doesn't work, so just look for another skin. So I'm just gonna you can edit skin, so you just press edit skin, but I'm just gonna get it straight away. Don't want to bore you guys. Oh damn, it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, download, just go on edit skin, and then just go and download. Now I have it. Now you go on downloads, and I think you should. Oops, sorry. I think you should get a skin folder, so it's much better, because I did. Okay, now you just rename it to Char. Okay, you rename it to Charm. This is my one. Wait, where's my one? That's mine. Okay, rename it to Char. And then after that, whoops, you go on run. Now you go on Minecraft, you go on bin, and then you go on this Minecraft. You right click it, open with, go on WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, just download it, and then just go on Google and just download it. Then there's char ping, you delete that, and then get your skin, where is it? There. Drag it in. Now it's done. Now all you have to do is just go on your Minecraft, check. Just if you don't believe me. Okay, so let's go on the world. Okay, last time it was Steve. Look at it now. Wait, I have a helmet. See? It's this guy. And my Minecraft looks, if you don't know, my Minecraft looks different because I'm using a texture pack. So for the next episode, I might make how to get a texture pack. Okay. So, bye.